What is your marital? What is your marital?
I'm not married. I'm not married.
What's your hobby? What's your hobby?
My hobby is listening to music. My hobby listening to music.
What is your major? What is your major?
My major is computer science. My major is computer science.
Can you speak English? Can you speak English?
I can speak English very well. I can speak English very well.
What's the weather like? What's the weather like?
It is a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day.
What time is it? What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock. It is 4 o'clock.
What is the date today? What's the date today?
17th of October. 17th of October.
How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you.
What you are doing? What are you doing?
I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
I'm not feeling so good. I'm not feeling so good.
Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand?
No problem. No problem.